Greetings to all. I want to discuss today about the Hardy-Weinberg principle. According to Hardy and Weinberg, total gene frequency of a locus remain constant generation after generation, provided that the population is very large, panmictic. Panmictic means pre-interbreeding and some forces absent that change the gene frequency like mutation, selection, gene migration and genetic drift. We can explain Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium principle using a pair of allele. Dominant allele is A with frequency P and recessive allele small a with frequency Q. Their total frequency, that means P plus Q equal to 1. If we want to calculate the total gene frequency in next generation, we can found three kinds of genotypes: homozygous dominant, heterozygous and homozygous recessive, with their frequency p square, 2pq and q square. Therefore, total genotype frequency p plus q whole square, p plus q whole square will be 1, and hence total allele frequency or p plus q will be 1. We can discuss this using an example of ABO blood group system in a population. Assume that dominant AA or homozygous is represented by frequency 0.4, heterozygous is represented by 0.2 and homozygous recessive is represented by 0.4. We can calculate frequency of dominant allele from the given zygotic frequency. For frequency of A or P will be total of homozygous dominant and half of heterozygous, that means 0.5. Similarly, of recessive allele small a or Q will be 0.5. This allele frequency produce genotype frequency in expected next generation. As p plus q whole square or 0.5 and 0.5 whole square, that can be expanded as p square plus 2pq plus q square. The genotype frequency will be 0.25, 0.5 and 0.25. That means homozygous dominant will be 0.25, heterozygous 0.5 and homozygous recessive 0.25. This can be also calculated from checkerboard, where frequency of dominant and recessive alleles are presented, from which genotype frequency obtained, similar as 0.25, 0.50 and 0.25. Two heterozygous individuals are formed. If we compare genotype frequency of previous and next generation, then it is found that frequency of homozygous dominant is 0.4 and in next generation this is changed to 0.25. Similarly, of heterozygous, which is 0.2, is changed to 0.5 in next generation. For homozygous recessive, 0.4 is changed to 0.25. Then we can conclude that there is distinct difference in genotype frequency between the two generations. Therefore, the population is not in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. If the population was in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, then the genotype frequency would be similar to previous and next generation.